Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add lines in Excel. You can add lines like border in Excel, or you can add lines within the cell. You can write with many lines within the cell, or you can add lines as a border. Let's see what is the requirement. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So I have some sample data here, you can see. Okay, just make it simple, so I want to make sure. So first option, I'm going to show you how you can add the line of your table or data. Okay, so just select the value or cell and go to the home, and here you can see there is a option. You can add the line border. Okay, or you can add the line with into the all data, like all the border. Okay, so there is a, you can break down data with lines. Okay, like go to the line homes, go to the lines, and you can see the line corner color, draw border. Okay, just okay, escape it, go to the home, border, draw border grid, erase. You can erase border from here. Okay, just select the border you want to erase, you want to erase one. Okay, so that is how you can insert the line. Now I'm going to show you how you can insert line within the cell. If you want to type anything here, okay, and just enter, it will be switch to another cell, but I want to write within the cell again. So just hold your control key and just hit the enter. So here you want to enter the line, you want to enter this another line or second line, the same cells. Just enter your first line, then you have to hold alt key of your keyboard and enter the and hit the enter button. Then it will be add second line in same cell. Okay, so you can write anything, just hold the alt button and just enter, hit the enter. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.